everybody. I know this is one of the first of few communications that we will have throughout this semester. Right now, I'm in my office. I'm trying to get some videos out to you. Please be patient with me. I had some issues this past weekend, but I have received your emails as well as, some of your messages. From this point forward, we will have several means of communication. I am trying to upload some regular videos, but I noticed that there's some buffering that is going to basically kind of, make it not as easy to understand me. So I'm going to take those same videos, upload them to YouTube, and I can also add a link on there. Usually we are able to integrate YouTube to Blackboard, but I'm seeming to have issues with that right now. So I'm going to do anything and everything that I can to make sure that this math experience can be the best experience that we can have by using means of computer. So with that being said, just make sure that you have any questions, you call me, you email me, you text me. We can get on Messenger. We can work problems out just like we would do in tutoring. Just make sure that you contact me. Any means possible, I'm trying to make sure that you can reach out to me. So with that being said, there's something else that I'm going to do. I'm going to add a problem a day, which is going to count for an extra credit point. And it's going to count for attendance. Yes, I know we're on spring break next week, and so that's not going to be counted as, you being in class, but just like we're in class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'm actually going to have something up every day, so that means you have an opportunity of 5 bonus points every week or every day that we're not here during the week, Monday through Friday. I guess for now, this is going to sum this up and just basically know that you're going to have more videos. So you need to check your email every day. You need to also work on Connect Math every day. You need to check the Facebook group that I just sent you an email about that you need to join that's going to have video lectures in it. I can also do lives. That way you can ask questions while I'm on there. Please make sure whatever time is your normal time to be in my class, I will be doing a live at that time every day. So this gives you no excuse not to do your work. This gives you no excuse not to be able to communicate and know what's going on. Yes, I do understand you may not have means of internet and computer, but if you have a phone and you have Facebook, you are able to connect with me. So I am doing this to make sure that if you can't use a computer, you can use Messenger to talk to me. You can watch videos on Facebook. You can do whatever you need to do. And if I need to start an Instagram situation or a Snapchat situation, whatever it is that's best to reach you. From this point, email me at my normal email, adamsj@uapb.edu. And you can also call me at 901-504-2656. I hope that you guys are safe, stay safe, and make sure you remember you can always contact me. That has not changed. But because of higher volume of more students contacting me because we only have one means of communication and there's one of me, please just give me a little time if I don't get back to you in an orderly fashion. Y'all have a good day. Bye.